Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Edge 50 Neo with elegant design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with LTPO LED display, with 6.4 inches Super HD punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2670 pixels, approximately 95.30% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9. Aspect ratio, approximately 460 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate. HDR10 plus color quality support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT700C sensor main camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.0 and optical image stabilization support, and with 13 megapixel ultra-wide angle macro vision camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies, it has 32 megapixel punch hole cutout front camera with aperture 2.4. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. The company provides up to 5 major Android upgrades, and up to 5 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7304 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 154.1 by 71.2 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 171 grams, and the color options: Pantone Poinciana, Pantone Nautical Blue, Pantone Grisal, Pantone Latte colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 4310 mAh battery, with 68-watt turbo power fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Edge 50 Neo has been priced for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 23,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 703 euros. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge 50 Neo smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.